Welcome, today in front of me Honor 50 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we got two ways how we can do that, and the first one, we just should slide with your two fingers at the same time to the center, and here on the left down corner you'll see the wallpaper icon. Now you can just select one from these icons from the default ones, or if you got some photos in your device gallery previously taken on your device, or for example downloaded from the internet, just click once on this wallpaper, click to set, and we want to change the lock screen wallpaper. So click here, wait a second, and now we can see the changes here on our lock screen. And also we got here the second way how we can do that. Just first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the home screen and wallpaper. Just click here to the wallpaper section, and by the same way, for example, tap to this one, click to OK, to lock screen, and now just as you can see, we change our lock screen wallpaper again. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.